Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Duolingo app. First, download the free Duolingo app from your App Store. Once installed, open it and choose a language you'd like to learn from the many options available, like Spanish, French, or Japanese. You'll then set a daily goal, which can be as little as 5 minutes or up to 20 minutes, helping you stay consistent with your learning journey. Duolingo guides you through a structured learning path, divided into units. Each unit focuses on specific topics, like greetings or food, and contains multiple lessons. You'll complete these lessons sequentially, building your skills step by step. As you finish lessons, you'll earn experience points, or XP, and virtual currency called gems, which are useful for in-app purchases. To truly master a language, consistent practice is key. Duolingo offers various ways to reinforce what you've learned, including dedicated practice sessions. Be mindful of the hearts system. You start with 5 hearts, and each incorrect answer costs you 1. Additionally, explore engaging stories and challenging exercises to immerse yourself further in your chosen language. Duolingo makes learning fun and social. You can join leagues, competing against other learners worldwide to climb the leaderboards. Connect with friends, celebrate their achievements, and motivate each other. A crucial feature is the daily streak, which tracks consecutive days of practice. Maintaining a long streak, perhaps over 100 days, is a powerful motivator to keep learning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.